What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to limit the amount of words a person can enter into a form on your WordPress website that you made using WPForms. So imagine that you have made your form and you are receiving too big message, too much content, and you would like to apply a limit. For example, a person can type only 100 words or only 50 words. Okay, so how to limit the length of the comments? This is what we're gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus. I'm gonna assume that you already have installed the WPForms plugin on your site. If you don't know how to install this plugin, just search for WPForms Visual Model on Google or YouTube and you're gonna be able to find our tutorials, okay? After this, go to WPForms on your WordPress left sidebar of menus, select your contact form that you have the message field. In my case, it's this one right here. As you can see, we have comment or message field right here, and you need to click into this field right here that I would like to limit the amount of words that person who submit the form will type. I'm gonna move to the advanced tab right here, okay, into this middle sidebar, and we have a little field right here called limit length. Check this option to limit the text length by characters or word count. Click on limit length by words, and I would like to have only 55 words, just like this. Now, I recommend that on the placeholder text, you type, for example, limited to words. Something like this, to give an idea for the person who will fulfill your forms. Then all we have to do is review the upper right corner of our screen, hit the save button, clear your site cache, and your comments are now limited. You can limit by words or characters, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!